Hello friends, yours and Reader Books Club. Welcome back to the world of series. Andrew Carnell is one of the richest people. To meet Napoleon Hill called Napoleon Hill with much excitement. Napoleon Hill went to meet Carnegie with Carnegie happy with rating ability. Made an offer to Napoleon in which he, and learning ways to make people rich, he said in the offer that, "Napoleon, I want to be rich." The theory is now accepted by all but a few people in the world. Everybody should know it so that everybody can be a human being. Can you lead a good life financially? Join me in making this mission a success. Napoleon asked, "What will I do? Should do it, and what will be my benefit from it?" I kept this shirt inside that I am America and... Do you know the richest people in the world? He came to him and took his interview and got to know everything. Are there such common things in me genes and poverty became a millionaire even by starting from For this, you will have to bear no expenses other than the necessary expenses. I will not give you extra money. Are you ready? Napoleon thought for some time and accepted the offer. I accepted the next 20 years and hundreds. Millionaires and interviewed and became rich. Discover some important rules to follow. By adopting them, he also became a millionaire. In the summary of this book, we will tell you about the rules, and in the larger of the triangles, we will discuss which. Society is natural in every person's life. Methods apply no matter which city you are in. Whether you live in a village or not, you should also follow these rules. Can make you rich in a way like America. I have to interview hundreds of people, Napoleon Hill himself in our country, and also made people millionaires, hence the video look further. Today we will discuss all these rules. Thinking Gray Rich book is for understanding. Like Napoleon Hill is written in this book, we will learn the ways to become rich. By using it, you can make your life easy. You can become rich. This is explained in the book. Start thinking about the triangle given in the book. To understand this better, we will read this book in 14 parts. If you are going to discuss in the chapter, so let's start again. First of all, let's talk about we do desire, i.e. bigger than our wishes. I am. In my life, without any goal, cannot achieve success. It is important to have a goal and achieve it too. Use all your energy. Power, use many things to help you be successful. Years may pass, but if you wish to, if you make it then, in the end you will get everything. You can achieve whatever you want with always keep in mind that only by desiring to do this, you can become a better person in your life. You cannot be successful in your life. A passionate goal to be successful. Draw and plan to complete it. Create your every move and don't consider your every move as the final result. To help you do this, the author is created to follow the 6 steps of the book. Suggestion is given. You decide how much you want. If you want to earn money, decide whether to get the amount you want. What can you give with your desired money? Choose the time to achieve your goal. Start at once to achieve. Make a plan. Even if you feel ready, you will do it or not. Be clear about your goal. Know all the answers as told earlier are given in one paper, but written on it, which you must repeat twice a day. So keep in mind that the time to study is in the morning to be the first thing in, and the last thing at night. You should still imagine like you did before. You have already acquired the amount from yourself. Imagine being rich for the first time can be challenging. But if you can imagine the result, then you will believe they can also achieve this by doing. You become money conscious and you can become rich. Only when you will have a strong desire for money and you will be able to earn it. If you never stop for yourself from today, you have to decide in your life how much money you want, then give them money to already be in your life. To achieve it by imagining it, start reducing the necessary and then reduce it continuously until you decide your desire does not allow you to acquire money. The stronger you are, you can make around and hold it with that much strength. To achieve this, you can do any work. Deciding on a goal begins with desire, so you need to find it. You should try to find your purpose in life. What is it that you want to achieve for yourself? Ask, what do you want to achieve from life? Hope to get the answer as per your wish. Decide on your goal, keeping this in mind, and don't score too many goals at once. If you change your goal from time to time, then you will never reach anyone in life. You will feel like a nobody, and you will constantly moving on from one project to another, and never reach the end of anything.
Therefore, on accomplishing any one goal, first then focus on achieving this goal. Decide your second goal. You are your goal. You can achieve it only. If you wish to, it will become stronger. So something important has come forward. No in big steps whose means you feel so passionate with your desire. Could you even do it for a second? Now we will not be able to forget belief, i.e. fan. That means we will talk about a big faith bar. Answer being a facilitator at your own will. If you learn, then the next step is trust. And the way to develop confidence is through mother. You can achieve your goals in a cost-effective manner. You can reach the destination. Keep in mind that you are not taking any risk of money. A very long and difficult journey in this direction. And if you have any doubts about your elders, then you probably will achieve this goal. Sooner or later, you will leave your biggest gift. Temporarily, it is your enemy. Every time you try to sleep, it will force you to not achieve your purpose as far as you can reach. The more you develop confidence, the more chances of achieving the goal increase.
And you are completely satisfied with achieving your goal. We can trust Faith Mother's one stage that you should learn to grow. Things that you repeat and do constantly. We started trusting them because the kind of thoughts that are repeated over and over again goes into your subconscious mind, and eventually a continuous form of thinking is formed. Goes though its negative constituencies can also be, apart from positive thought patterns, we also have negative ones. You can also adopt the thoughts of people whose because of this we start relying on the negative pattern and find themselves useless, wasted, or defeated. I understand. That's why I say that alone, like our earring, our subconscious mind, deciphering the nature of affirmations. To visualize your mind, you can do this, can be reprogrammed, and so on. Start believing in achieving success. You can guide your mother with your thoughts. So you rely on these buttons. A positive mind is the best thing to trust. And trust is the starting point of success. But if you have self-confidence, if there is a deficiency, you cannot trust in succession. Can the author increase sales confidence? Ask to do these 5 exercises for. Have faith that you can achieve your goal, and no matter what happens on this matter, keep faith in your mother. Negative thoughts can distract you from your goals. So do this for 30 minutes every day. Tell me what kind of person you want to be. Take a selfie for 10 minutes every day. Focus on increasing feelings of confidence. Write down your goal in detail, and until you achieve your goal, do not forget to take care of it till then. If the goal is scored incorrectly, you will not get success for a long time. There is power, therefore, to work for the benefit of all people. Reduce the negative by keeping in mind, never try to reduce your perspective. Now let's talk about that motto-suggestion in detail. This is the synonym of autosuggestion. Between the conscious mind and the subconscious mind, everything you have achieved so far is like a bridge. I have to go. Just reading them will have no effect. You will need to feel them. Because when thoughts connect with feelings, so our consciousness is more focused on these, emphasizes, and to achieve these, begins to reduce more and more. So first, it will tell you while moving the button, feel your desire by doing this. Your subconscious mind will focus on those thoughts which are felt, therefore the authorities are 3. Incorporating the steps from the previous 6 separate exercises. Find a proud place where you can be. Pharaohs can sit in peace as told. Now rate suggestions louder. When you do this, then imagine the money that you now want to achieve. This morning and night I've been to. As long as your mother, I don't have a clear picture of all that money. Write down all these statements and put them in any such place where you can see it every sale. And keep on watching it until you finish it. I don't remember you this way in my life. To become rich, it is necessary to achieve any goal. Just have a desire to do it, and it is not enough to earn trust. You feel emotional even at your subconscious level. This is how your mind needs to be at home. Seconds will reduce the time taken by your project to even that you can enjoy this benefit even when you sleep.
Being is something you were born to be. Well used. We will cover two areas in this chapter: journal and special knowledge. The difference between general knowledge and attractiveness. Yes, there is power, and the rest of the people have their own. You can also get good result by doing this, but I did not trade it for money. The second subject is knowledge from this book. I see an educated person as a person who is defined as the one who knows. Where do you get special knowledge when you need to study? It simply means that there is power to be achieved, that compared to any special knowledge, being educated is more valuable. Particularly when it comes to collecting money, the matter has come, so increase your education. Pay attention to this. Often when collecting money, common sense is rarely used, because your knowledge is yours and only then do you get money. There is power when it is unique. That's why, to be successful, he needs to be in the area. Acquire specialized knowledge, which will help you in. You want to change your luck, and you want to get the money you desire. If the required knowledge is more than your ability, the author will help you create a mastermind group. Let us give you the story in simple words, so it is like this. Create a group that includes such people who have the knowledge you need and genes to help you achieve your goals. Now we can take help from imagination. We will talk about success in the big days of Kalpana. Imagination is very important. For this to happen is more important because to achieve your goal in imagination, we can make all the plans for you. There is a limit which depends on how much you use your imagination. Hill can develop more. According to imagination, there are two types, synthetic and creative synthetic imagination. You can continue to know about the current concepts, history, and imagination can modify the plans. Nothing can be made in this form because it deals with what is in the mind, reduces, while creative imagination is which is divided by your inspiration. You are your history. By not using creativity, only then can we create such imagination. There is power when you are conscious mind. Desire is going through straight words. In the story, he would have to be trained. It's your thoughts, your luck, and your imagination. It is most important to make both. For example, you might have something like Coca-Cola. If you can see the most successful company, you know the big names of these successful companies. Then you will remember the beginning of this company. It all happened as an idea. It all starts with thoughts. The more you think, you can achieve as much as you can. When you are following your thoughts and your desires, if we combine this with the most important thing, then there are more chances that you will achieve your goal. Achieve your goal if you can. Use your brain to, and connecting it with your desire, start doing it. Be mindful of your imagination. It is best to get any idea together. It can prove to be much better with this. Imagine all the pictures that you want to achieve your goal. To achieve this, you will need to use your imagination. I will have to drop my imagination for you. You have the power to do everything that you want in life. Want to achieve something new and do this. Focus on what sets you apart from the world and makes you special, because it is the only one in the world